If you have a CNC with an AC spindle, you're probably starting it on and off manually, and you're probably doing the same for your vacuum. This video will show you how to, from your controller spindle output, control your AC spindle and vacuum. First, I had to pass a cable in my harness, and I start by cutting the outlet side of this 15-foot computer-style power cable. Everything you need, I'll link for in the description. Mainly, it's 1 or 2 relays depending on if you want your vacuum to run on a separate circuit than your CNC and spindle, which I think is the smart thing to do. Passing it through took a while, lots of pulling and pushing it down, but eventually I caught it on the other side. Now to communicate with our relays and control the router and vacuum, we need a signal, and that comes from the spindle output in DC of my controller. I cut it about 7 inches long, enough to work on it. I could have bought other plugs like this, but I know I'm never using this again. Now here I have my relay, which is AC-DC relay, taking the DC signal to power AC products. I 3D printed an enclosure to make it safe to be around and bolt it on my disc. The first obvious step you need to do is connect the DC side to the DC side. Plus or minus doesn't really matter here, but might as well do it right. Now for the AC side, it gets a little more complex, but it's still very easy. Take another power cable, strip it and take its black or power wire and put it in the port 1 of the AC side of your relay. Now let's get to the back where I pull the cable through my harness. Here you take the black wire that goes to the router and plug it into the port 2 of the AC side of your relay. When the relay is activated when DC power passes through, you'll let the power go between those 2 pins, starting your router. Now for the whites and the greens, the neutrals and the grounds, join them in pairs and seal them away in an electrical box. In my case, I printed tiny ones. It's very safe to use, but probably not up to code. Here's your assembled unit. Let's go try it to make sure it works. First I plugged it into my controller, but not into the wall outlet right now. This relay is meant to take 3 to 32 volts on the DC side, and I have a multimeter to control my output. I use my speed wheel on the controller to get to 5 volts, which starts it perfectly each time. Alright, that works great. I'm starting and stopping it with manual G code, M5 to stop it, and S5000 M3 to start it. Now to add a vacuum, you could plug it in parallel on the AC side with the router, but that makes them share the same circuit. 2 power hungry tools, not a good solution. By plugging in a second relay in parallel to the first one, by putting a wire from plus to plus and minus to minus, you can use the other side, the AC side, in the same way we did with the router, but with your vacuum's power cable. Now you start the router on its switch, same for the vacuum, and they're both controlled by G code. I hope that worked to help you set this up. If not, shoot a question and I'll do my best to help you. Thanks for watching, subscribe for more CNC content, and see you next time.